Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 6079 Southwest Shores on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is an amazing ranch home on 50 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour.
This is open one-floor lake living with a great room, featuring an eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, Korean countertops, a center island with a breakfast bar, and hardwood floors. Open to an expansive dining area with a gorgeous leaded glass built-in cabinet and recessed lighting. And a living area with a gas fireplace with a country wood beam mantel and a wall of windows with breathtaking lake views.
This ranch home features 3 spacious bedrooms, plus a full bathroom and laundry, including this wonderful waterfront master bedroom with beautiful lake views.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 50 feet of waterfront. From a lakefront deck, expansive patio, plus a dock and break wall with scenic lake views. All with a detached garage and additional land across the street with endless possibilities.
This home is located on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua in the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Nearby is the Hunt Hollow Ski Club and Bristol Mountain. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski. Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6079 Southwest Shores on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!